G20च्या टुरिझम वर्किंग ग्रुपाच्या चौथ्या आणि निमाण्या बसकेक सोमारा गोंयांत सुरवात जाल्या. पयल्या दिसा क्रूज टुरिझमाचेर जाल्ले बसकेत गोंयचो टुरिझम प्लान चर्चेक आयलो.
As of now, the important cruising ports are Mumbai, Marmagua, Visakhapatnam, Cochin, New Mangalore and Chennai. Mumbai and Marmagua major infrastructure renovation is underway thanks to the support of Ministry of Tourism. Marmagua also the work is underway and will be operational by November 23. Maritime India Vision has envisaged the development of 4 theme-based circuits, and these circuits are being developed with the support of the central and the state tourism departments. There is a circuit which is starting from Mumbai, it goes on to Sindhudurg Fort and Goa. Goa has a very rich heritage and many historical monuments. Then it goes to explore the natural beauty of Kerala at Kannur and Kozhikode.
मुंबई BPX इंदिरा डॉकात आयकॉनिक क्रूज टर्मिनल ह्या जुलय मेरेन जातलो. थंय वर्साक 200 क्रूज आणि 10 लाख पर्यटक हाताळटले म्हूण पर्यटन राज्यमंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक सांगता.
Significant upgradation and modernization efforts are underway at 7 major ports across the country, including the flagship Diu International Cruise Terminal in Mumbai, with a total cost of approximately rupees 495 crores. The iconic Sea Cruises Terminal at PBX Indira Dock, expected to be commissioned by July 2024, will have the capacity to handle 200 ships and 1 million passengers per annum.
अध्यात्म, भलायकी, वेलनेस, पर्यावरण, इको टुरिझमाक नेट दिवपाचो गोंयचो प्लान आसा म्हूण पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन हे बसकेक उलयला.
Goa also plans to expand its tourism offerings by promoting lesser explored areas like spirituality, health, wellness, ecotourism, and traditional aspects. The state aims to implement long-term branding and awareness campaigns that highlight local events and hinterland tourism, showcasing its abundant natural beauty and cultural heritage. Goa beyond the beaches.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आनी स्वप्नील तारी.